Our pickup service makes it easy to get the fresh foods you need. Just go online or use the app. First, sign in or create an account. Once you're logged in, enter your zip code. Choose Pickup as your shopping method and select your store. Now start shopping. It's easy with Start My Cart, or you can try the search function or browse for items. When you're finished, review your selections with the Shopping Cart button. You can allow substitutions and add any special instructions. Then select Checkout Pickup Items. Choose the date and time you'd like to pick up your groceries. Then continue to payment. Add your mobile phone number for text updates so we can tell you when your order is ready and let you know about any substitutions. Choose your preferred payment method, select Submit Order, and we'll handle it from there. You'll receive an email or text with your order confirmation, but you can modify your order up until the night before your pickup day. Then, when it's time, let us know you've arrived. We'll be right out to load your groceries to your vehicle. We look forward to serving you.